Welcome today again to my session with you. Basically, the session is just a small chat with you, a chat which may sow some seeds in your mind for future growth. These signs are very important to create the seeds, and over a period of time, you should be able to imbibe in your own personal life. Today, I will discuss personal branding. Personal branding is about what you think of yourself, what you want to be, what people think about you, and how do you improve on this part of your life. I'm just like a guide. My guidance may be able to help you to fulfill your dreams. What is the problem at hand I have? My first problem is, how do I get noticed? Noticed by other people. Every person wants to be noticed. How do I sell? You may have to sell an idea to your girlfriend. You may have an idea to sell to your professor. You should be able to do that. Sometimes you also feel, why am I being ignored? What have I done that people are not paying people are paying attention to me while they are paying attention to somebody else? Then it can also be that why am I having a constant broken relationships? Every person goes through these kind of dilemmas in life. I would tend to promote you some insights or some elements which can help you to improve your personal branding over a period of time. Now, the answers could be improve your branding. Improve your branding means what people think about you, what the people should think about you. Assess your impact. How do you create impact on people? Then think about your image. What is the image you'll have? What is the image you should have in particular scenarios like work, like corporate, which have a different meaning? My answers are guidance are important, and my effort is to you to guide in that direction. Hope you can uh, make use of my views. First, we will now talk about personal vision. After personal vision, we'll talk about branding. How do we brand ourselves? How do we create impact? What is the image? In image, I don't mean the photographic image. I mean the image which other people have about you. Then we talk about working image, that is the image at the workplace, which is most important. Then we'll talk about professional image, the image we should have generally in a professional scenario. Then we just discuss corporate image, image which a corporate likes to have or the outside world. Now, personal vision is a vision you must have for future. A vision means that you have a picture of what you want to be in life. You want to be staying in a farmhouse. You want to be attending high society parties. You want to be leading people. You want to be leading a life of recruit. So, a personal vision means a picture of what and where you want to be in life. That's very essential. You might think as identifying yourself as to what success will look like for you in the work, in your personal life, or perhaps in sports and hobbies. Way to identify your personal development needs to be thought of and action taken. So we want to create a personal brand, a brand which is slightly differentiating from other people. So look around what you want to be. A brand can be defined as a set of tangible and intangible attributes which separates your identity and awareness about you from other person. To build a reputation of a product, service, or yourself or organization, certain actions are required. Hence, branding is a tool and developing and maintaining a competitive advantage. Marketing is what you do, and branding is what you are, what you want to be. Advantages of a good brand. It'll help you to find a better job. It'll help you to earn a better money. You, with a greater acceptability at the workplace, be happy at the workplace. It'll increase your professional network. It'll provide you professional opportunities. It will lay the foundation for your future success. However, you need to rethink and reinforce your brand periodically. How to create your own brand. Define your overall aspirations, what you want to be. Conduct research where you are and where you want to be. Look around in your friends, look around in your peers and find out. Find out what are the attributes of a farmer, what are the attributes of a company executive, what are the executives of a playboy, and from your current state, try and create a game plan. Now, you may be thinking of creating a brand, you may be thinking of this or that, but in your daily conduct, you must, certain actions must be included. That must be your punctuality. You must be punctual at all times. You must be yourself. You must be at ease. You must present yourself appropriately. Hope I am presenting myself appropriately. And you must have a winning smile. Be open and confident. Be able to do small talks. Small talks means conversations. Be positive. Be positive means you got to be positive in your own talk. You can't be a prophet of gloom. Be courteous and be attentive. These are some of the basic guidelines which you should be able to think about yourself. Apart from that, there are certain other aspects you must think of it. First is communicate. How do you communicate? Communicate in different circumstances. What is your appearances? What is your body language? What is your awareness level? What are your personal standard? And we will take each one of these topics in our next session. Till then, browse, think over it. Hope I can make little difference in your life. Chari ho.